In this video, I will show you how to unlink Rockstar account from Epic Games without logging in. Open your web browser and search for Rockstar Game Support. Go to Rockstar Support website. Select Account Support, Rockstar Games account, then Account Linking. Rockstar handles unlinking requests, not Epic Games. State that you want to unlink your Epic Games account and include confirmation that you understand losing progress in online Rockstar games, your Rockstar Game Social Club nickname, your Epic ID or username. You can find your Epic Games ID in your Epic Games account settings. For faster processing, consider attaching a screenshot of your Epic Games profile showing your ID. This is optional but can speed up the process. Review your request for accuracy. Submit the support request to Rockstar. Wait for the Rockstar response via email. They will confirm and guide you through the unlinking process. And that's it. Now you know how to unlink your Rockstar account from Epic Games. If this video helped, like, share, and subscribe.